You see, remember Diana Stars abaso. Kwame, omo akwawe 11 wonders akọ wini honum. And I think say Diana Stars performance, I mean over the season, I think say omo ball omo do ye after so year, a good signings are and omo di kokan omo team won Kwame. I think say omo performance no enya bad cry. And again 11 wonders are and they got to a point no more league more relegation. Kwame, this same performance Anana amo relegation and indeed almost back no almost my the same performance and no it got to a point afina and a training ground training crisis so a good pick up to no more training any other day a come in place car a chance say and they say no more relegation but it looks like I say almost by no the same performance and then maybe more de acquire and one of them say putting up and more 2 points about 8 games which is very bad. I must say now the beauty of the game no it do second round now Kwame na e from because
11 wonders.
Oh yes Kwame say a hard dream I'm performance in there I think say and the one thing I am one say Lagos cities on one side about omo handle 11 wonders so
program to say coach ni be so resign
ayi no koi onya mfama
tana mete
Lagos City is my 11 wonders more money sir Kwame basi ana say league no I say omo nya the best out of omo at least more ase okra na o see competitive bi ewo mumu but as I say no performance na kwa time aso yenko ne yenko game ni bisa and very bad ewo enso so Kwame has to folk etimi ko basake Holy Stars
and one kan asem kan wonto
na I see yeba
okay yenko
say two games omo kwa team ko win and solid intina me dey free omo honum no Kwame and now atakra just say as of team ko fa win hoda em no omo ba league ni
oni basake Holy Stars no ntimi sha basake
yes so ho ntino all call away okwa win 2-1 ewo basake ho emra ene omo so edafo omo wie na omo pe game bia obetima turning point di ama omo na so folk omo ko omo ntimi ense omo na omo ko 2-1 Kwame clearly it tells you that Masood at least Juma kakra and you see the good aspect and he said now 3 consecutive games has to folk started 2 goals omo share 2 goals against Brekum Chelsea and then omo buy be share 2 goals against Bibiani Gold Stars and then omo share 2 goals against Basake Holy Stars and I think say a plus Edema has to folk team name Masood because and no man omo team you Kwame now I started back a crack yes yana pressure any hu bi F2 teams in we so ntino I think say
na ka was ma wo sire
na yo case no ozre Rafa Tagroso say e dey na ase and they show me amenya na because
we say has we need alom dey hu to team
yes pressure
put the korokasta coach ni
metepa say ebentino boss ya na ehunu no pressure no astate pale na binimiam hwehwe wo because how to folk man ho so Kwame ene ma league no anoma no ekoso so hu entino this is the performance you say going forward Masood ne guys no Kwame on be putting up ne o push hard say this season on bet my bibi e dey afa league no because league no mu da ho Kwame emu da oyo no ma ye kakra bia betima je this year no etimi asiu na so and I think say Masood with the experience or local team what system ni mo a check akran Kwame I believe that on him in and out a woman at least the G League again so I believe that going forward on betimi agina we ni so na Kwame on betimi amo Muhammad say be ya on betimi agi this season league no etimi asiu omo na so but one thing is now on starting so concede as we got started concede and one thing I also start here no here because then you say our biggest weapon omo actually omo defensive ability na so share goals etiam abe problem but I think say the past 2 matches in as for I started conceding again omo so I started share 2 goals so one thing I'm just say Masood ebetimi ahwe na going forward why no ma ye honum na kakrebo Kumasa Sante Koroko Kwame coming back home eba besi akan after say ene omo koye Africa disaster ekosi ya mba back no Kwame ometimi edi anieden akeka wo mo ho kwame 4 goals anyasem kitwo a side that omo difficult this season away Karela kwame unum say omo ko away nko concede 2 goals crowd Karela United this season
sure
omo ko away omo difficult to play against Bene Kumasa Sante Koroka team atwa omo 4 goals anyasem kitwa and you see Menyaji edi ama Asante Koroka team no kwame abet amwe kono na I mean concerned baby aba one e be she go because no match 3 goals or na share 2 na Amidu Akwanso share 1 entina be concern Bene abranti aye frɛ no I mean Rubejew any set kojo hey kwame when we should go no mani age ni mani ajama mrantie no papa and you see
we jade na wo ye ofie na
yes say me ni nyana me monitor game no
we ye nyana monitor
me nyana me monitor na me monitor timidi e ball ba ku yes which is very important yes
we ye jo ahome ana we monitor game
una kanyara me so you see
una ma tanza we ye nyana monitor ana ya
na kan kwa me ejo pe bibi di asho but me feel Saka down so no you see many German no after so no super conchen na upper back aba started the Asante Koroka kwame and again the performance na nye bad cry
na donzo nye bad
oh yes I think so no so
donzo nye bad
with time and no ma be farm and kakra because
and said could you crowd mete post match and say ye nyina ye nya abotrema boy no
yeah
the language barrier no
very difficult you say now omo last game omo boy answer omo
go stars
the Go Stars and coach Karim
Heart of Lions
Heart of Lions yes coach Karim to kra ni post match ko kan say I mean language no kasa no emboa abante you could see I mean changes ba akra ko the last matches omo ba improvement ba akra so we can just only hope say any abante no ebetimi afa no tumo epana I mean going forward ni input e wo Kumasi Asante Koroka game kwame etini e dey be best from ko wanti no yamo Koroka abaso they play good football and again scoring 4 against Karela or away na e dey so be 2 goals kwame me giri say I mean e good for e classico na e be baso Sunday because both teams ni na kwame obia e show goals obia e winning and now you could see say both sides no obia best start akasa otie dey Koroka assistant I mean coach ni e kan kwame clearly it tells you that momentum na na gather econo has to focus so akowini nyanche omo kan de but na hwe goals omo so starting performance na omo so di hu bi to I mean 8 teams ni bi so amejiri say Sunday kwame we are in for a good cause I mean hoping say no man nyina be ko na these 2 clubs no kwame bibia e fan na omo hia Sunday